Hello guys, welcome to Coders Coding. Today we are going to discuss about the how many ways to retrieve Python dictionary values. Now let's take a dictionary and then we will do operations on that. So this is my dictionary. Here there is a dictionary is just like a JSON format it occupies. So now I have to perform on this dictionary some of the actions or some of the methods using the methods and retrieve the items from dictionary. Suppose first I need to display an entire dictionary. Now you will see, run this one, you will see exactly what are the key values are there in the dictionaries. Those I have to print it here. Or you got it? Now I have to use one more method. So I have to use the method called pop. A pop is the method which going to remove the customized key and values. So it's specified like this: employee.pop, and then parenthesis you have to pass the which key values you need to remove. That's why I have to pass the skill set. So if I pass this skill set, what happened here? So I have to print, it won't be print the skills. So remaining things it will print departments under salary, is manager, everything is printed here, right? So if you observe clearly, you got this point, id and name, all these things it will be displayed. Now you see the difference also. Now the one more method is there. By using that method, that is pop item. If you use the pop item, employee dot pop item, so pop item is the method using in Python dictionary which is removing the Python last insertion of the key and values. It will remove the is manager will remove here. Now just I don't want to pass anything, I have to remove this parenthesis and run the and print the employee. Then we have to go here and then right side of the corner you see an arrow mark, then refresh it, then you got the its is manager removed. Remaining things you have to follow here, you have to observe here. See, there is manager is not here. Previously it will be there, is manager is there, but now it's not getting. Then there is another method also be there, that is del keyword. So del keyword is the using in Python dictionary. When you use the del, customized key value removed as well as the entire dictionary. So employee entire dictionary will also be removed. For that, now we will see with practically, then you get some idea. Del, and I have to take employee and square brackets I have to pass the which key value you need to remove. So I don't want to salary, so I have to pass salary, then print the employee employee employee. Now run the code, you will get the output which is not reflecting the salary. Am I right? See, there is no salary. Previously it is there, now it's no salary will be removed here. Now what I need to do is I have to remove the entire dictionary. For that I have to specify del and employee you have to give is it fine. Now I will write del employee is the dictionary, then print employee. Now you run the code, then you observed here it says that name of the employee is not defined. That means there is no module, such a module is not there. That means it will removed, entire dictionary will be removed here. That is a concept of here that you clearly observed. Now I have to take another method also. That method we are going to use here, that is clear method. So if you use the clear method, what happened, it will be clear the within the dictionary key and values, but not remove the entire dictionary. Okay, that's a very simple. Now you will see that one, employee dot clear, clear, clear. This is the method. We are going to use this method, print employee. Now rerun the code. Now you will observe, so there is a employee is not defined. Why? Because you already deleted, so that you have to hide that one, del employee hide. So then only we have to perform some action, right? Now it's enabled, there is a dictionary is there. Now in this dictionary I have to clear the items. Now you will see there is a dictionary denotes parenthesis, not curly braces we are using right, to denote the dictionary. So it's empty dictionary, it will be indicate there. So this is the very simple and interesting here. Now if you have to find such a video is good, please like, and for more videos please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you.